students, in today's lecture, we are going to understand what are simultaneous linear equations. So what do we mean by simultaneous? See, when we are taking two linear equations at the same time, we are saying these are simultaneous linear equations. When we are taking two things at the same time, so they are called simultaneous things. Okay, so why we are taking like this? To find the solution of these linear simultaneous equations. Okay, what are the methods we have studied in class 9? You have studied substitution method and elimination method also. So here quickly I'm going to discuss what is elimination method, because such type of question you are going to get in the practice sets. Okay, so how we are going to solve these equations, that we will discuss. So suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So let's see. So how we can solve this? We know that minus plus cancel each other. So what do we do? We are going to multiply by 3 in equation 2. So that we can get plus 3 by here. Okay. So what we are doing? Multiplying by 3 in equation 2. So what do we get? We get here 5x minus 3y equals to 8. And after multiplying in 3, we get 3 3s are 9x plus 3y is equals to 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now we will solve these equations. See, because we have minus plus, now this will be eliminated. They will cancel each other. And here we get 5x plus 9x, that is 14x is equals to, now it is again 40, 8 plus 6 is 40. So we get 14 upon 14. This will cancel each other. So we will get 1. So x is equals to 1 we get. This much understood? Now we have to calculate the value of y. How we are going to do this? We will put this value of x in equation 1. So putting x equal to 1 in equation 1. What do we get? We get the equation is 5x minus 3y is equals to 8. We will write. Now we will put the value minus 3y here. So we get 5 minus 3y is equals to 8. Now this 5 we will take this side. So minus 3y is equals to 8 minus 5. So again 8 minus 5 is 3. So y is equals to 3 upon minus 3. So this will cancel, y is equals to minus 1. So we get x comma y, which are the solution of the simultaneous equation, that is 1 comma minus 1. Okay, so this is our solution for these simultaneous equations. Now we will solve some another example here. We have taken this question. In this example, you can see the coefficients of x and y, they are interchanged. Here 15x plus 17y and here 17x plus 15y. So now we will see when coefficients of variable x and y are interchanged, how we are going to solve those kind of simultaneous linear equations. Okay. So suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. To solve these type of equations, what we are going to do, first we will add these two equations and then we will subtract these two equations. Now see here how. So first we will add these equations. So we will get here 32x plus 32y is equals to 2, 2, 1, 3, 32. Here now on dividing by 32 both the sides, we get x plus y is equals to 1, isn't it? So this is our equation. Okay. Now what we will do? We will subtract this. I have less space, so you have to write here statement that after subtracting equation 1 and 2. What do we get? How we are going to subtract? See, 15x plus 17y is equals to 21 and 17x plus 15y is equals to 11. Now we have to subtract, we have to change the sign here. So now we will subtract this. Here minus 17 is greater, so we will get minus 2x. Here plus 2y. Okay. Why? Because 7 plus 17 minus 15, we will get plus 2y is equals to here 0 and 2, 1, 1. This much understood? Now, what I am going to do? I will take minus 2 common. So, here I will get x minus y is equals to 10. So, let's solve this. So, x minus y is equals to 10 upon minus 2. So this will get x minus y is equals to minus 5. So this is our equation 4. Now what we are going to do? We will solve this equation third and fourth. Okay. So third is x plus y is equals to 1 and fourth is x minus y is equals to minus 5. So here plus y minus y cancel each other. We get 2x is equals to, now here plus 1 minus 5 will get minus 4. So x is equals to minus 2. So this is the value of x. Now putting the value of x in equation, maybe in 3 or 4. So I am putting in equation 3. So x plus y is equals to 1. So we will get minus 2 plus y is equals to 1. So here y is equals to 1. Now this minus 2 will be plus 2. So y is equals to 3. So the final solution is x comma y is equals to minus 2 comma 3. So this is the solution of this simultaneous linear equation. Okay. Now the next topic is the what are the two other methods we have to study, that is graphical method and Cramer's rule. That we will study after completing exercise 1.1 from the textbook. So here you can see practice set 1.1. The first question is complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. So here basically you have to understand what are the steps to solve any kind of simultaneous linear equation. So according to the given activity we have to solve this. So what we are going to do, we can see here plus 3 and minus 3 is given. So these terms can cancel out each other. How? We are going to add these two equations. So by adding equation, suppose this is 1 and this is 2. We give the number. So equation 1 and 2. So 5x plus 3y is equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. So we will, by adding, this will cancel out. Now 5 plus 2, this is 7x and this is 9 to 11, 1, 1 to 21. So x is equals to 21 upon 7. So 7 3s are 21. So we get x is equals to 3. Okay. So here we get the value of x. Now we have to solve for the value of 1. So putting x is equals to 3 in equation 1. So what is it? 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. So we will write it 5. X की value 3 hai. So we will write here and we will get this. Then 5 3 is 15 plus 3y is equals to 9. This 15 we will take this side. So 3y is equals to 9 minus 15. Yes. So this will give minus 6. Isn't it? So y is equals to minus 6 upon 3. This will cancel out. We will get minus 2. So here the values of x and y, which are the solution of the simultaneous equation, that is 3 comma minus 2. This is our solution. Okay. Now according to the activity we will see what are the blanks here. You can find, see there in the textbook are given. So that I am going to tell you. First, this is Then this you have to, this is blank, and then this is blank. Okay. Then this is also blank. This is step. Then again, actually solving these activities, no, you, this will give you clarity that what are the steps you have to follow. Okay. So these are the blanks which are given according to textbook. So we have solved accordingly. Okay. So here these are the blanks you have to complete. See, you can find in the textbook. Accordingly, we have completed this activity. See, there are many methods to solve two simultaneous linear equations. So whenever in the question, maybe in the practice set or in the exam, they are asking particularly that you have to solve the following simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule or by graphical method or by substitution method or by elimination method, then you have to apply that particular method. But if there is given solve the simultaneous equations, solve the given simultaneous equations, so any method you can apply. So this is for this lecture. Now in next lecture we will solve practice set 1.1, the question number 2, where it is given solve the simultaneous equations. So we will see what are the different methods to solve those kind of equations. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.